Fixed income. Rising electricity costs, no wonder you're considering solar panels. Yet the same dilemma remains. Traditional rooftop systems demand $10,000 plus upfront with a 10-year payback, meaning a decade of waiting before you truly save. But plug-and-play solar breaks the deadlock. Starting at $400 set up in 1 hour. Payback in 2 to 3 years. 1/3 the cost and 1/5 the time of traditional solar. Can such a data reversal really come from simple operation? Hear Grandma's real experience. The following select clips are from PBS News. Agnes Chan is our retired teacher in Berkeley, California. She wanted to install solar panels on her home, but was limited by her fixed income budget.
And even consulted my roofer, but there's no way that I can afford that.
So she found a cheaper workaround, and is one of the newest adopters of plug-in solar. She hopes to rein in bills that run into the hundreds, even with a thermostat set to 60.
It's a great house that I have lived in for over 35 years, but there's no way to insulate it. So I'm shivering in my own house.
Instead of tens of thousands of dollars for rooftop solar, this cost $400 and took less than an hour to install.
This is the app which will show me how much the panel is generating.
And rather than taking a decade or so to pay it back, it will likely take her 2 to 3 years. Agnes didn't text back this past 6-to-1 solar panel to be so lightweight, under 6.5 kilograms. She can move it easily on her own. It features a frosted surface that's easy to maintain. The latest model is equipped with BC solar cells, boasting an impressive 25% energy conversion efficiency. Its exclusive backsheet offers ultra-low thermal conductivity 0.2 WMK, blocking heat for steadier power generation, combined with an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and IP67 waterproof rating. It's water-washable, safe, and exceptionally durable. On Sungold's site, the look key specs, kit contents, and typical use cases. And for Agnes, that light, easy to maintain, stable panel means solar isn't out of reach anymore.
We are systematically removing the barriers.
Those barriers are often less about the tech and more about a system built around big upfront costs.
These things are modular, they're tiny, you can put them just about anywhere, you can add on as time goes on. So it's less big upfront investment all at once.
That's the point of modularity, shifting from one big purchase to gradual add-ons, so more households can actually start. The report highlights a core conflict. In some areas, utilities like PG and air require high fees and complex registration similar to a full rooftop system. Utilities cite grid supply demand management. Advocates argue it's an artificial barrier.
Orders of Brooks Engineering.
Electrical expert Bill Brooks points to safety risks. Uncertified products could, in extreme cases, endanger line workers.
There's 78 solar panels. I call it my solar garden. If the product didn't have the proper certifications, then there would be the possibility that somebody could energize a down power line that could injure a lineman.
He also stresses that with such as certified microinverters, NEC-aligned safeguards, these barriers are solvable.
This is a microinverter used in things like plug-in solar, and it has a certification, and we have the National Electrical Code.
That's why Sungold PA621 emphasizes safety, certification, and key protections by design. So cost savings are built on verifiable safety, not shifted risk. The report notes that plug-in solar may not power an entire home, but it can cover base loads like a refrigerator, potentially reducing monthly bills by 5–10%. Policy is shifting too. Utah has passed legislation to lower barriers, and at least 13 states now have public bills or legislative moves targeting reduced interconnection permitting and fee heard less for plug-in and portable small solar. This signals a form of energy democratization. This is what energy becoming more accessible looks like. Even if the contribution is small, every bit of renewable power counts. When the number shows up on the screen, it becomes usable power.
Panel is producing 645 watts per hour.
For Agnes, it's not just a bill. It's warmth in winter and dignity.
I expect to be comfortable instead of shivering in my own house, wearing a down jacket and a blanket to watch TV.
When Sungold PA621 helps real people on the other side of the world, it becomes more than just a solar panel. The debate continues, but the shift has already begun. More PA621 real-world tests and use scenarios are available on this channel. For the full context and details, it's worth watching the original news report as well. Thoughts or questions about plug-in solar are welcome in the comments.